Hello and welcome. We are at the LogiMAT 2025 in Stuttgart, and with me is Alexander Marotz. He's the VP of Sales of Discover Battery from Canada, and very happy to have you here today. We announced our partnership, Wiferion and Discover, for supporting new batteries for the AGV and AMR market in Europe. And my question is, Alex, why did you choose Wiferion as a partner?
Good question. So, to answer that question, we actually have to look back a few years ago when we had the first discussion at the LogiMAT and then the ProMAT in Chicago. And that was the first time where we had in-depth discussion about how we can work together, partner together. We in Discover, we see this industry growing year by year, and for us it was a goal to be more present. And we were looking for a strong partner with industry experts, having worldwide distribution, warehouse facilities for lithium. And Wiferion at the same time was also looking into expanding their energy storage portfolio. And timing was just right that we are now here and working together and integrated our batteries with your innovative inductive chargers.
Why do you think Discover Battery is a good complement to Wiferion's portfolio of wireless charging and already existing battery modules?
Right. If you look at our batteries and the newer chargers, we actually can say that both systems are scalable. So that is a very versatile feature for the customers to match the capacity they need to have the runtime for the machines, but also to match the current capabilities of the charger and the batteries and make it as a good functioning system. Furthermore, this battery is fully certified, so we can sell it here in Europe, but also certified for the US, Australia, China and other markets. And that makes it very appealing for lots of OEM customers.
Okay, so this is some good benefits already. What kind of advantage does the lithium professional bring to AGV and AMR customers in Europe?
I would say we hear a lot of the naming IoT, the Internet of Things, and database and driven decision becoming more important. And that's exactly what we can deliver. So the battery is set up that it can communicate to the chargers, so our battery management system actually sends the signals and voltage and current what it needs to be perfectly charged, and it also speeds up the charging process and prolongs the service life.
Okay, so let's imagine a little bit in the future. What do you believe can be a future for the AGV and AMR, let's say, industry, especially looking at the partnership of Discover and Wiferion? What benefits will we bring?
Where I see the biggest benefit is now to have a system and go to the customers with a really holistic system, and we save time from the engineering efforts and for implementation. Furthermore, cost becomes more and more important. It's a very competitive industry, so for us reducing the initial cost of the batteries itself, since we need fewer units, since it has more capacity, you have less installation, fewer cables, and it just benefits overall the cost. And if you look at the total cost of ownership, that's also a big part if you look at the economics.
Yeah, I agree, and especially having larger robotic fleets emerging. So we're not talking about 1 or 2 or 20 robots, but hundreds and thousands of robots. Yeah. It's very important to have reliable energy partners. So one that is robust in quality of the product, an endurance product that has a long lifetime, to make the robot as lasting as long as possible, because battery and energy is the most critical component. Of course, combined with the wireless charging, I believe we are a perfect fit to also use a certain stopping times during the process to recharge the battery, and that's a very good fit we also have with the Discover battery.
I totally agree.
Thank you so much, Alex. Nice to have you on board, and see you soon at the LogiMAT 2025 and 2026. Welcome back.
Yeah, stay tuned for more innovative solutions coming.